What is up, guys? I'm here in Chapultepec Park and I am sick. Can you see that? My nose is all red and gross. I don't know why I showed you guys that. Half of you just exited this video. But I wanted to show you guys something cool. Something really cool, actually. We're going to a castle right in the middle of Mexico City. So let's go. Shout out to my country, Canada. Yay, Canada. All the way leading up to the park, there are these pictures of Canada. That's actually misleading because you're not allowed to get craps drunk in Canada. Very old law. Nunavut is the far north of Canada. It's my dream to make it up there. One day. There's Nari. There's our friend Jess. You want to say hi to my 5 viewers?
Hello.
So Jess is also from Vancouver. She's come to visit us. Along with one more friend of ours named Boris, who is
really sick.
Really
He's
sick
dying
right now. I know you guys haven't met Boris, but he's my friend from Vancouver and he flew down here and he got really sick and now he can't leave bed. So if you leave a message saying get well Boris, I'm sure he would appreciate that. So guys, this is really cool. We were walking on our way to the castle and we just met someone who recognized me from my videos.
Hola.
This is Victor.
Hola.
How long have you been seeing the new chapel?
Maybe 2 weeks. I found one day YouTube put on one of your videos on my feed and I saw.
Wow. Victor has offered to show us around the castle because we don't know anything about the castle. Mexican hospitality. Nice little Nutella sandwich. Ooh. How is it?
It was so good. My favorite.
I don't know. But I like it's got the Aztec sign and everything. Okay, Boris, we haven't forgot about you. As soon as you feel better, you're getting drunk, man. Yeah, we still love you. Very peaceful place. At least it's peaceful when they're not screaming into the microphones behind us. So this is perfect because I told you I'm sick and I don't want to talk too much. So I can just put the camera on Victor, the guy we just met, and he can talk for me.
Thanks.
No, thanks.
Ooh. So this is the castle.
Wow.
This little house was for
Visitors?
for maids.
For maids.
For maids and all the people that clean and do things for
Maintenance.
Yes.
That is the nicest maid's house I've ever seen. So that is a house for the maids for the castle.
Oh, nice.
How did you learn so much about the castle?
I like to read information about my country. I love Mexico.
Something happened. Victor and his friend, they have to go. But I want to say thank you to Victor for offering to show us around the castle.
Oh, it's a pleasure being with you.
And while you're here, is there any information that you want to share? Any cool fact about this castle that people don't know?
This castle is the only one in America that built like a European castle.
The only real European castle in all of the...
In America.
Wow. Incredible. Thanks again. It was so funny. Yeah, he really wanted to show us around, but they had something else to do. The fact that we're sick and already feeling bad, it's probably for the best anyway. But as always, people in Mexico are just overwhelming with their hospitality, and everyone we meet just wants to show off their country. So it's really great to see. Vlogging while sick is probably not recommended. there's a bit of a like gentle slope going up, and normally this would be no problem, but today I'm feeling so tired just doing this hike. Nice view of the skyline though. Wow, you guys see that huge Mexican flag?
Yeah. It's the
Hiding behind the trees. That is one big flag. Okay, what's the story behind this guy? I bet Victor would know. Victor, where are you? We need you, Victor!
Wear traditional indigenous clothing.
Look, I need to pay to bring my camera in. 70 pesos, and then I need to pay 45 for my camera. Hola. Bueno, entrada y yo tengo... No flash. No flash. Oh, no pay. Oh, bueno. Muchas gracias. My tripod. They wouldn't let me take it in.
Oh, really?
So that was interesting. They didn't make me pay for my camera. Apparently the 45 pesos for the camera is only if you have a flash, which I don't. But they wouldn't let me bring the little tripod that I usually hold my camera with. So I got this thing which says 19 selfie. It's just a number that means I had a selfie stick and I get to pick it up afterwards, I guess. Anyway, here we are. Okay guys, I'm about to step into the only North American European castle. So exciting! You want that?
Yeah, buy me that.
10 pesos. I'll give you 10 pesos.
I have no place to hang it.
Yeah, that's bigger than our apartment. Even though I'm sick and tired, I'm still enjoying this place quite a bit. Just the level of detail that went into this is incredible. Just look at those stained glass windows. I mean, where else do you get that level of detail? And the grounds are just spotless. I mean, there isn't a piece of trash anywhere in here. They do a really good job keeping it tip top. So I just found out from a security guard that they don't really like people filming. So I'm gonna do my best to show you guys the shots that I do have. But yeah, pretty cool castle. Incredible view of the city. I mean, the nicest view that I've seen so far. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Too close. That's better. Okay guys, so it's 5 o'clock. The castle is closing. I'm still sick. My voice is almost gone. My battery is almost dead. Thank you to Victor. Get better, Boris. How was it, everyone? Did we have fun?
Awesome.
Yeah. All right, guys. 2 thumbs up for Chapultepec Castle.
Beautiful.
See you next time.
Hopper Hill.
Grasshopper Hill. Bye.
Bye. Ciao.